It's time to be a ricer, man. We bought some LED lights.
That ain't no ricer, man. That's...
Yeah, it is a ricer. Shit.
No.
You don't think so?
Ricer is when you put stickers on your car, like crazy ass stickers and chrome pieces from like AutoZone.
We shall see. We will see.
The fake vents here, the chrome vents. That's a ricer.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. The sticker you had on is not a ricer, but some of the people that add too much. Usually you do that if you have like if your car is like tuned up or whatever.
Yeah.
Then it's worth it.
All right, so we're gonna take these out right here and replace it with the blue LED lights.
They even got the joint. I don't know. You heard it?
So we're gonna try this, opening this with this little card. Don't really care about this because it's expired, right? But yeah, card is too weak.
But the only thing I'm worried about is the door.
Still gotta fix this diffuser. The screw came off while on the freeway, but luckily we got zip tie tying this diffuser together. Or else I would have lost the diffuser a long time ago already.
That's why I don't want to use a flathead. Look like I got a mark already. So you got fucking... Damn.
You left a mark already
This is...
on the car.
That's why I don't want to use a flathead. It's too little mark. A little bit of here and here. If you had the other one, it don't leave a mark. Because this is metal. The only fuck up shit, you have to play around with it. Sometimes it don't work, you gotta flip it the other way.
Pretty much plug and play, huh?
See, it's not on. So now you gotta flip it around. Ah, there you go.
It doesn't look too bright.
No, because I pressed this.
Yeah.
God damn, man. That's why I told you, man. You had the plastic tube. It's not really noticeable. Just scrape it off. Do it like that. Yeah. Fuck. I guess I should be working on cars. That actually worked.
Stick a credit card there.
Yeah, then slide this in front of it. It actually works so that, like what I did here.
So pretty much you just twist this off or something.
Pull it out, but I don't want to touch it with my finger in case it pops. You want to keep the bulb. See if I do it right one time. What the fuck? Fucking.
Looking okay?
Nah, man. And then the back. Don't force it though. See? It's not that bright though because of this plastic. Oh no.
You wanna have pop it?
Yeah, I don't know about this. Do it lightly. What a rice.
Ricer, man.
Look at that.
Spoiler and everything.
It's clean. Alright. Press down into this. How in the hell am I supposed to take this out?
I do have some parts of your West I can hear.
How you do, huh?
One side
Watch
first.
videos. You're on the spot.
What the fuck, man?
What, the lights off?
No, I don't even have room to pull it.
I don't know why there's a beeping noises. Look.
Look at it. I mean, it's gonna shine blue. Is it legal in California?
I don't think so.
So what you want to do? Keep it? It should be, right?
I mean, if it's not too bright.
This way. Yeah, to press on this, not this, this right here, and it'll come down. And then you just see how this is longer than this one. That's what the dude was talking about in the video. The wire is longer on this side. Then you
Left side, huh?
yeah, then you twist it to the left, like you changing your fog light, and boom. In here, now you're gonna have to do the same thing we did. Hopefully this works. All right. Turn on your car light, see if this on. Little thing sticking out. Oh, you know what? Just turn it like that, and then you lock it in. See it? Once you put it up here, put this in first, and then this goes after. They might have heard. All right, that's ended. All right, that's not going in. All right, it's in. You look at it. Lay down and look at it if you want.
I mean, there's nothing to look at the moment since it's still daytime.
Yeah.
These lights, I bought it for like at least $7 from eBay. Ooh, we gotta watch the car. So this is how it looks like in daytime.
See, it's on like this, like the flathead. Pry this, it comes up. This side comes up.
Oh, for the side piece.
Yeah, but it's gonna be like this. You don't want pry from this. You want pry from here. How we got two. This right here, not the bottom. Pop it in. On before I put the cover back on. It's supposed to turn on or with the door open? Or let me flip it over.
Oh yeah, it should be on.
Did you go, Mr. Ricer? Oh, get the glass.
Yeah, actually might be a rice car just for a phone.
I wouldn't call this rice.
No man, I'm talking about getting a second car.
Oh,
You think I'm gonna rice this shit out?
see that? It snaps in. This is what this two metal piece for, is to grip in here to lock it in so it don't fall out. Man, look at that shit. Basically, you got push this in and then pull it out. See it? I guess either or. See that? Damn it, went back in. Shit, where bugs? Because this bulb was on, I used paper to pull it. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. It's always the last one that's hard, man. The last bulb is always the hardest one, man. Damn. What y'all do? Push this? Now, how do I make the lights turn on?
Maybe you gotta flip again, because once the door's open, it would turn on already.
Yeah. Oh. Here you go, Mr. Ricer.
Richardson Studies LED lights. Yeah, I think that definitely gonna get pulled over, right? And it doesn't look right, man, right?
It would look better if it was like white.
Yeah,
I'll put the old one back.
wow. Definitely gonna get pulled over. Damn, it's too bright, man.
You say this is too bright?
Wow. Yeah.
Mine was like this. I couldn't see shit.
Yep, so we gotta replace the light again because it's too bright. And we're gonna get pulled over by the cops, man.
Yeah, that's the amber. Shit, take it home too. Don't want it.